Welcome to Learn English, Love English. Today we have a delightful tale about clever thinking. It's the story of Munni, a smart sparrow, and Kaka, the village bully crow. Let's discover how Munni outsmarts Kaka. Once upon a time, in a big tree, lived a little sparrow named Munni. She had 3 tiny eggs in her nest. One day, a crow named Kaka came by, wanting to eat Munni's eggs. Kaka, the bully crow, demanded Munni move away so he could eat her eggs. Munni, being clever, replied, "Okay, Kaka, but first, wash your beak." "It's dirty!" This was the start of her plan. Kaka, wanting to look clean, flew to a stream to wash his beak. However, the stream refused, saying, "No, you'll make me dirty." "Get a cup to use." Kaka's quest for a clean beak began. Kaka went to a potter to get a cup for washing. The potter said, "I need mud to make a cup." So, Kaka headed to the field to find some mud, continuing his search for cleanliness. At the field, Kaka found it too dry for mud. The field said, "You need something sharp to dig mud." Kaka then saw a deer with sharp horns and asked for help, but the deer refused. Kaka asked 2 dogs to help him dig for mud. The dogs agreed, but wanted milk first. Kaka then approached a buffalo for milk, but the buffalo demanded grass to eat before giving any milk. To get grass for the buffalo, Kaka needed a sickle. He went to the blacksmith for one. The blacksmith, wanting to protect Munni's eggs, decided to trick Kaka with a clever plan. The blacksmith told Kaka to get his tail burned in hot coals to receive the sickle. Kaka, not realizing the trick, followed the instructions. With his tail burned, Kaka flew away in pain. Kaka, with his tail burned, never returned to Munni's nest. Munni's clever thinking had saved her precious eggs from the bully crow. She and her eggs were safe and happy once more. Munni's story reminds us that being clever can help us solve problems and protect what's important. Just like Munni, we can find smart solutions to tricky situations in our own lives. We hope this story inspires you to think creatively and find clever solutions in your own challenges. Munni's tale is a wonderful example of how intelligence can triumph over adversity. Stay tuned for more stories with us at Learn English, Love English. We have many more tales to share that teach valuable lessons and entertain. Keep learning and growing with us. Our storytelling sessions aim to inspire and educate, bringing you delightful tales from around the world. We hope you enjoy each story and learn something new every time you join us. Thank you for being part of our storytelling journey. We look forward to sharing more stories with you. Until next time, keep exploring the world of stories and learning with us.